everybody, I'm Kay, and today I'm going to be recording what I'm expecting to be my last video for this page. And no, I don't plan on going away after this or anything like that, but I do plan on moving over into a new channel that I'm going to be creating. I plan on not coming back into towards the end of this month. Hopefully, if I get the pieces that I want from the Tyler the Creator Louis Vuitton collection, then I plan on starting my new page with those videos. So hopefully everything goes well with that. But today I do have something that I think is very exciting. It's a bag that I was really excited about. This is the Nike Jacquemus bag, the Swoosh bag. It's in this box right here. As y'all know, I like to do true unboxings, so I have not seen this bag outside of the images online or anything like that. I don't know what it looks like in reality, and I'm hoping that I love it. I am actually about to be on my way to work in a few minutes, so I'm gonna try to get this done as quickly as possible. Probably try to do some on the body shots for you guys before I head out. So I'm not gonna really do too much talking. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn the camera around, unbox this, because I know y'all don't really want to hear me talk anyway. Prior to this, for those of you all who are wondering where I've been and why did I just come back with this one video, I have another video that I posted that explains all of that stuff a little bit, but right now we're just gonna go and get right into the bag. So yeah, I'm gonna turn the camera around now. Okay, so here we have the bag inside the box. I'm just trying to find the opening part. Okay, here it is. Sheesh. Oh, let me use the scissors. Jesus. Okay, so I guess while I struggle with opening this box, let's talk about what's inside the box. So this is the Nike Jacquemus Swoosh bag. This is the ugliest unboxing ever. I'm so sorry, y'all. But this is the Nike Jacquemus Swoosh bag. And I was super excited from them. When they first posted the teaser of this, I knew I had to have one. So I was like, oh, what the? Okay, y'all. I'm gonna just rip it, okay? So when I first saw it, I knew I absolutely had to have this bag. And the release was a fucking shit show. Almost cried when I didn't get it initially. But then they ended up re-putting it. I was all on their Instagram, leaving this long comment and all this stuff, and a lot of people were complaining. But they ended up putting it back up in the middle of the night, and I got it, and I think it's still up. So go get one if you're interested. This one is in the color ivory. Let me just go ahead and open it now. But I am so excited for this one bag, y'all. Okay, so it comes in a little dust bag, no box or anything like that, which is fine. This is the bag. It's a co-printed bag. I'm going to move this box out of the way. So this is the dust bag. And here is the bag. Hope y'all can see that good. It was $525, I believe. This is the tag. I'm gonna open it up. Take all the filling out. This is what the inside of the bag looks like. It's kind of small, but I like mini bags, but it's not that small. I would say I can't really see if a phone can fit in it because I'm on my phone, but I think I got a spare phone in my kitchen, so I'll go look at it in a second. This is the back of the bag. This bag is just so cool to me. I'm gonna take all the paper off and stuff. This one has gold hardware, which I really am a fan of. I prefer gold to silver hardware. I believe that there's a dark brown option as well, and I believe that one has silver hardware. But this one and the pink one, it came in 3 colors: ivory, pink, and dark brown. This one and the pink one have gold hardware. So this is the bag with the strap. The strap is adjustable, I believe. It look adjustable, but I gotta figure out how to adjust it. Maybe it's not adjustable. Is this just for the look? Couldn't be. I don't know. I gotta do some research on that part, but oh, let's see. Oh, my rings are coming off. What is happening? Okay, yes, it's adjustable. It's definitely adjustable. So you can make the strap longer or shorter depending on what your needs are. That is very important, especially as a girl who is like kind of tall. Some bags, if they don't have adjustable strap and they just sit in a really awkward position. So I'm glad that they thought about everyone and you can make it like shorter or longer depending on your needs. That's awesome. Not really much to say about it. This is just a regular little canvas strap. The leather is very, very nice on this, which I appreciate. Let's see, is there anything special? No, this is just a tag and it just tells you that it's 100% leather and all of that stuff, which is cool. So anyway, I'm not gonna like, this bag is very like much straightforward, so I'm not gonna sit here and say much about it. I'm just going to go and get a few of my items and see what I can fit inside of this bag. And then after that, I'll go ahead and do like on the body, put it on for y'all, and then we'll just leave it at that, because there's not really much that I feel like needs to be said about this bag, but it is beautiful. It's very beautiful, and I'm glad that I did buy one. Yeah, so let's move on. So I went and grabbed the things that I typically carry with me on a daily basis. I am a girly who packs light. I know that some people like to have their whole life in their bag. I don't like to do that. I have a bad bag. I only like to carry the things that I absolutely need. So anyway, here's the bag. Open it up. Here's the inside space. And I'm going to start with my wallet because I always need that. So I'm going to put that in there. And then we have my keys. And I also usually have my work keys with me, so those are right here. I usually have another set of keys too, which are my car keys, but they're not here right now because my dad is getting my car worked on right now, so he has them. It's my lip gloss. I usually have like a little small, what do you call this? Like a travel perfume. Put that in there. I'm a mommy, so I always have snacks for my kid, as y'all know. So I'm gonna put that in there. The snacks might be the problem. Let's see. Now this, we're definitely gonna have to do like some maneuvering. It's gonna be like a puzzle. And you also don't want your bag to be looking too bulky. I found one of my old phones in my kitchen, an old broke phone. Don't ask me why I still have this. I don't know. It doesn't look like that's gonna fit, not with all of my things. And I'm gonna just put one of the snacks because both are not gonna fit, okay? Maybe if I put the phone like that way. Girl, I am already doing too much and I don't even have a lot of things. So if you're a girl that likes to have your whole life with you, don't buy this damn bag because it's not gonna work for you, okay? So that's that. That's what I have in there so far. And then I usually have a hand sanitizer, but I usually stick this like, I have like a little thing that you put on the outside of your bag and you hang it in there. But I wouldn't put it on this bag because I think it would ruin the aesthetic of it. I would probably have to go buy a different one. So I would try to put it inside my purse and it doesn't look like it's going to fit. But let's see. We're going to try to zip this up anyway and see if it does it. Oh Lord, this is hard. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. Don't give up hope on me yet. I think I can do this. Okay, so we got it zipped up, but now it's all misshapen. So I would not put all of this stuff inside of my bag because I don't want it to be all warped and shaped weird. So let's take some of this stuff out and see like how much things can comfortably fit in here. So let's just do my absolute necessities. This, I would hang it on the outside just to prevent that. the weird shape thing. This, I would probably not put the whole thing in. I would probably just take out what I need. So probably just like my card, my ID, and probably some money too, but I don't want to touch the money right now, so I'm not gonna put the money in there. So I'm just gonna put those two things in there. And then this is what I would probably comfortably pack inside my bag. And that looks much better. As you can see, it fits. So yeah, I'm gonna take some still shots of this bag, and then I'm going to take some pictures with the bag on me. Overall, I'm absolutely in love with this bag. I do not regret my purchase at all. Any of the girlies that are thinking about getting this, get it, girl, get it. It's just such a unique bag. I don't know. I think that we've seen this concept many times with people taking like the Nike swoosh or whatever. But we've never seen it like executed by Nike and by like a luxury company. And like this is, it just screams luxury. But it's still very much like athleisure, which I really love. Yeah, if you're on the fence about this one, I would definitely say, I would definitely recommend it. Like, this does not disappoint. This bag is beautiful. The stitching is pretty much perfect. Shipping was super, super quick. It only took like a couple of days to get to me. They shipped it out like immediately. Everything is good, like the hardware, but the hardware looks great. I could see where like you'll have to be a little bit careful because it will definitely get scratches when it already has like a little bit of scratching on it. But that's not a big deal for me. I'm not one of those girls that's like protect my hardware. I wear my bags. I very much do wear my bags. They have like this little cube pull thing on the zipper, and I think that that's super cute and unique. It's not something that I've seen before. I don't own any Jacquemus bags, so I don't know if that's like a staple on all of their bags or if that's unique to this design. But yeah, so let me go ahead and take the pictures and move along. I don't want to make this video too long, y'all. Okay, so right here, I'm just wearing the bag like crossbody. And this one is for the girls who like to wear a titty purse. So right here, I tried a thing to see how it would look as a waist bag, but it was too big. So then I held it back and pulled it tight to see how it would look, but it was still a little too big. But the plus size girls can definitely pull this one off. And lastly, I just put the bag on my shoulder. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.